Hello everyone. I wanted to show you how to review the different clay choice boards that we have for the next 2 weeks. So looking up here are the different options for the choice board. Choose whatever works best on your iPad or on your computer. It can be a Google slide, the PDF, or the media album. So I'm going to go into the Google slide here just as an example. And when you're looking on the Google slide, you're going to notice at top is where your rubric is. These are the directions here. And then this gives you all your different options of media. The digital options are here. This leads to links to the actual websites or to the download links for on your iPad. For a lot of the no-bake clay recipes, these are all here. So you had already picked your options. So let's say you want to make a mug. So if you click on that link, it's going to bring you to that specific page that shows you the directions. Now, if you want to explore the other directions, you can just look at the different slides, and you can even see that there's arrows up here that bring you through the slides. Or if you click the home button, that'll bring you right back to this page. So when you're looking at the directions here, you have directions on this side. Then I have a simplified version of the directions up here. So to make a mug, first you have to roll a clay slab, make a cylinder, and make your coil handle. When you see blue, it means that there are the links. So if I would click roll a clay slab, so this will
Yeah, of
bring you
course,
to the
the
YouTube
slab roller is the
tutorial.
easier way to go.
If you need to look at specific direction pages or samples, those are all on this side. So there's the directions, and then here's, how to make a mug step by step. You can even zoom in to be able to see everything a little bit more clearly. But let's say you have an alternative or a digital option. You click that link down on the bottom and it shows you the directions for the digital or the alternative media. For the digital options, you can choose Sculpt GL, Tinkercad, D3D Sculptor, Sketch 3D, or Sketchbook. These are the links to those actual websites or iPad downloads. As a hint, if you did pick the digital option on the survey, then you are already added to Tinkercad class. If you didn't, then you're going to have to let me know to add you in. Some tips. These videos are for the exact application. If you need more demos, you're going to have to search them up. But you can see here how to draw certain vessels, so that can help you whenever you're doing the sketchbook. And then Tinkercad has the mug, the teacup, the vase. Sculpt GL has basic shapes that you can use. Sketchbook has how to make a stylus, intro demo, and then an example of a starfish mug. Sketch 3D has your basic demos, and then 3D Sculptor has your basic demos. That would be for your step 1. And then step 2 is adding the animal. So there's demonstrations here of how to mold the animal in Sculpt GL or in Tinkercad. My suggestion would be to do Tinkercad because there's a lot more resources of how to use that to make animals or to make mugs. And then you can always import those links or those specific items that you make into Sculpt GL or into these other applications. If you click Sketchbook, you will pretty much be drawing or painting digitally how you would like to make your design. So for alternative media, all of these video tutorials can be used with paper, cardboard, foil, or magazines. Or if you have mixed media, you can use whatever you need to. If you want to find more demonstrations, you can always look on YouTube or other video websites. And then just like the other projects, your first step is going to be assemble your basic form. Then you'll submit it to Schoology. And then lesson 2, you're going to add your animal or the emotional symbolism. And then you'll submit it to Schoology again. And then on Monday or Tuesday of next week, you will refine your project and submit it for the final in the Google form. Now, some of these tutorials have playlists that you can go at. So let's say if I click this one for origami animals, you can look through these links here. I hope that was all helpful to you. If you have any other questions, let me know. Have a great day, everybody.